This week on Life on Jupiter. So in a couple of days' time, we will be in Nassau, Bahamas. But first, we check out an old doer-upper of an aeroplane. We'll teach you how not to cook a roast, and we need to do some en route rope work. So stuff breaks all the time on a sailboat. So in a couple of days' time, we will be in Nassau, Bahamas. Why are we going there?
I have a US visa interview.
Yeah, at the US Embassy.
Yeah.
So, fingers crossed they will give you a visa. And then we'll be going up the East Coast, United States.
Yay!
So, we've been practicing interview questions. Because Princess is not the most confident speaker.
Yeah, I'm shy.
So, why do you want to enter the United States?
My husband and I are sailing around the world, and we want to get out of the hurricane season, and we want to do some boat maintenance.
Okay. How long do you expect to stay?
Would like to have 6 months until the end of the hurricane season.
Okay. Are you working at the moment?
No, we're sailing around the world.
All right. What do you do when you're working?
I'm a singer,
What sort of singer?
a hotel singer.
Okay. What will you do after you leave United States?
We're going to Panama and then Southeast Asia.
Okay. You'll receive your passport in 10 days' time.
Yeah! Oh my God! Don't make me hope.
I hope so.
We want to see the Statue of Liberty.
New York. You do it. I can't do it.
New York.
Oh, that was loud.
Sorry.
Okay. Our last stop before Nassau was Norman's Cay. Now this may sound familiar to you. It was the headquarters of an infamous drug cartel back in the 1980s, and there's still evidence of it today, and we plan to check it out. This old girl is a Curtiss Commando C-46, and of course was a transport aircraft for the drug trade. After a thorough pre-flight inspection, I was determined this puppy would fly. So I settled down into the cockpit, and all was looking well, until something bit me. Mission aborted.
This is our last vegetables and last meat for this week, hopefully. And Jamie's looking forward to have some roast lamb. Very Aussie food. Jamie, yummy. This is not gonna fit. B! I need you here. It's not fit at all.
Alright. We can fix it.
Yeah. So big, maybe you can cut here.
This is all I got.
Careful. Yeah.
Give it a clean up. Perfectly sterilized. Little lubrication goes a long way. I'm gonna try hammer next.
Oh, just one?
Yay!
Thanks.
Surgically done. I was. I was opening it. We need gravy. We don't have any gravy mix.
No.
But it looks good. Now. Alright. Oh, here we go, here we go. So, let's see what we're dealing with here. Certainly cooked. Feels tender too. Yummy.
Yummy.
Boiled roast lamb.
It's not roast anymore.
No, I guess. But well, I don't know what else to call it. And homemade kombucha. Yummy. Not very excited about it, are you? So this is one of the prime benefits of a performance boat. And you don't need a performance boat to go fast all the time, but one of the great benefits is you get to keep sailing when there's very light wind. Everyone else is motoring. We've got 3 to 5 knots at the moment, and we're doing equal that. We're doing 3 to 5 knots of boat speed on a nice beam reach. So stuff breaks all the time on a sailboat, even in 5 knots of wind. We're doing pretty well, you know, 5 knots with a spinnaker at the moment, but the snatching of each wave that passes is just yanking the boom. Nothing we can do about it. But this happens. So this was the strop, goes under the boom up to the clew of the sail, of the mainsail. It just chafes away, you know. This is 6 years old, but eventually it just chafes because of this. And I've got 3 more, 2 for the main sheet, 1 for the preventer, and I can see the main sheet one is also looking threatening, so I've secured that with a few lashes, and I've secured the clew with a few lashes of rope as well. So I've got to make some new strops. So here's one I made a while ago, so it's exactly what I need. But this was using the Chinese Dyneema, which is plenty strong, and we've got it on our screeches. It's one of the most strongest ropes that we have, but it just chafes really badly, really quickly. So this was on the boom. You can see how quickly that wore. And this was probably only a day or 2 of sailing. So this time I'm going to use the covered Dyneema. See how long that lasts. There's plenty of information online about how to put eye splicers in Dyneema, so I'm not going to try and teach you anything. That's our locked Brummel splice, and now all I need to do is bury that. There's one end done. I just got to pull the cover back up. Hopefully the cover will go up. Is it the right length? Ooh, it's a little shorter, but that'll be okay. Shorter's better than longer, so that's alright. That's alright. Hopefully, here's my new strop. There's 3 knots of wind. This mainsail's been banging and slapping, so we just take it down. Spinnaker only now.
You can stand there without holding anything.
Well, I'm leaning on the boom.
Oh yeah.
Alright, that's one. Clue done. Didn't show you before, but I made new ones. Hardest part is to not drop the shackle. It's a rated shackle, about $40 there. I do not want to drop it. Just a bit of lock wire and she is done. turn.